the glory season for our Utah fruit stands, here's another creative jolt for you. These hand-sewn kitchen pot holders with ruffled texture designs made us do a double take. They say summer, don't they? We had Kris Thurgood stick around to share more on this project idea. I immediately wanted to choose a favorite.
I know.
What's your favorite?
Boy, you know, it's hard to tell, but I would say that the pineapple has to be my favorite.
The pineapple's cute with the texture.
Yes, and the pineapple is so popular right now, trendy-wise. It's out there. I love it. I love all of them, but I have to say pineapple would be my favorite.
Oh, you had to throw that
absolutely
cop-out phrase. I love them all, but from a color perspective, I like the cherry. I like the red and blue together.
Yes, very, very cute. And don't you love the texture on these?
Yes.
Okay, this is made with a chenille, and we're making our own chenille.
Oh.
So when you talk about chenille, this is what we're talking about. You're basically layering 4 layers of fabric, one on top of the other. You're sewing channels, and then you cut the top 3 layers.
So chenille is not a type of fabric, it's a technique of fabric. Is that fair?
Well, it's a little bit, no, it's actually a little bit of both.
Okay.
Like you could purchase pre-bought chenille fabric, but you're very limited with your colors and such. So being able to make your own chenille is very simple. It's a few layers of fabric, you're cutting through the top 3. Now, with these cute designs, we actually did this on the embroidery machine. This is a hoop taken from an embroidery machine, and it will stitch out these lines for you. So on this strawberry, I'm just going to take a pair of scissors and just cut right through the top 3 layers, just like that.
And that's where you get the ruffled effect.
Exactly. And then you're going to take like a little brush or something. I can't quite do it as well right there. There we go. And I would just go through all those channels, and then you fluff it out. So this is done on an embroidery machine. However, Kimberbell Designs has a sewing machine version coming out in the next couple weeks too. So,
oh, exciting. So if you don't have a home embroidery machine or access to one, you can use your own sewing machine eventually to make these.
I know, aren't they
They're
fun?
just darling. Different sizes, different variations, and a great use of those bright summertime fabrics.
Exactly. And just a fun way to decorate your table, and it makes a great hot pad, but also a trivet or something just to hang up in your kitchen.
I can't sew, but I can fluff. So if you want to send me a stack of these,
also you fluff.
I would be the queen fluffer and just back and forth, and give you the texture that you're after.
Exactly, that's right.
All right, where can we get our hands on the pattern?
My girlfriend's Cool Shop in both Logan and Midway. We'd love to have you make some.
They're darling, Kris. Me. Oh, that was directed to me.
We'll see.
One of these days, she's going to break me down.
That's right.
Year by year.
You
Thank you so much, Kris. I appreciate it.